Good morning, friends of Travel Your Own Path. Today I am in Killorglin, Co.Kerry, and I just came down here to shoot some of the footage from this side of the town. It's got a pretty nice view. It's the bridge leading in to Killorglin, and I'll walk over there now in 1 second. So yeah, this is one of the stops on the Ring of Kerry, and you can take a bus from pretty much anywhere on the ring, all around. So that's pretty good. I just walked down here to the edge of the river there now. Give you a look at that. Try and get down for a closer look. And just got back from Poland there roughly around a week and a half ago. About a week and a half ago. And I shall be traveling back there again in roughly a month and a half for about a month. So I'm going to get a lot covered from there too. And this is just the edge of the water here at Killorglin. They do some boat trips out from there as well, down the bottom. And that's the old bridge. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but it's down there. I'll try and get to that one later on. It's very peaceful, guys, here. Just a nice place to come and sit, chill out and relax. Try and get a close-up of the bridge as well. And I'll go up over it in a minute to the other side to show you. There's a nice couple of seats and things there as well to sit down on. So I was just passing through here this morning and I decided to grab the camera and just shoot a vlog. It wasn't really planned, but they're the best ones, I think. Sometimes when you plan things, things don't go to plan, so. I was taking advice from a guy I know, Jesse St. Louis. He's got a channel as well, a YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, you got to check it out. But he says just, grab your camera and go anywhere near where you are at that moment and just shoot videos. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I took his advice, or if you're watching, Jesse, I took your advice. Yeah, and it's a really beautiful place, guys. I like coming here because you get to just chill out next to the water and stuff. The sound of the water, it's nice. You got some church bells there going off in the background as well. And if any of you guys are from Killorglin and if you happen to see this, comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. And if you like the content that you're seeing, like I say in all the videos, please like, subscribe and share, and subscribe to the Travel Your Own Path YouTube channel. We've got a Facebook community as well, guys, if you want. So the link for that is in it's on the YouTube channel anyway. It's on this channel, so you can check it out. Get some smoked salmon here, the fishery. some coffee or whatever, tea. They've actually got a restaurant there as well, so you could go there. Yeah, and oh my god guys, it's a stunning day today, really. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, but I just looked at the car thermometer there, not thermometer, the temperature. I just looked at it there and it was showing like 23 degrees already, so it's crazy for Ireland to have that weather. It's kind of the view from, that's the view from the top end anyway, there. Yeah, so this is pretty much the bridge. I'll walk back down to the other side in a second. Got a nice view there. And I'm not sure if you can see that there, but that's Carrantoul Mountain. This is a beautiful place to sit as well, here on the, just down here. And I won't do all of the Ring of Kerry today, because I don't have time to do the whole ring, but I most likely will do it in about 2 days, 2 or 3 days, and I'll take you to all the stops on the Ring of Kerry, from just probably beyond Killarney maybe, or else I'll start from the opposite side and then I'll go around the whole ring. So I'll show you all the different stops, you know, down along Dingle, Carsavine. I'll show you the Kerry Cliffs, and especially if this weather stays holds good, it'll be, you know, you'll have a really nice view of the Ring of Kerry as well. So yeah, and they have a festival here once a year. It's called Puck Fair, and basically what they do, I'll have to read about it up there in a minute, but I'll show you King Puck. He's the goat, and I don't know if they still put him up on a stand, but they used to do that in the town. They used to put him up on a big stand, and then, you know, people used to come and trade different things, like you know, just a lot of stalls and different things like that. So it's a nice weekend, but you know, a lot of partying goes on as well that weekend. So, but it's good if you're into that. It's all cool. If you're not, it's nice just to come as, you know, a spectator. So I'm just gonna walk up here now to the King Puck, the statue of King Puck. I'll give you a look at that. And then we're on to the next adventure, and I love that about getting up in the morning, wherever I am, just deciding to go, you know, just okay, I'm going. So this is King Puck. There he is. It says climbing on the rock is strictly forbidden.